currently enrolling in Bachelor's of Applied Science in Product Development Technology with honors in University Malaysia Kelantan. Currently, I am doing my internship program at a medical device company called VIP Medic at Johor Bahru. First of all, let me introduce about my organization. VIP Medic is the one-stop sterilization center where packaging and sterilization conducted in one place. VIP Medic is the provider of ethylene oxide sterilization and related medical field services in Malaysia and the surrounding Asian region. It is strategically located in the state of Johor, where easily accessible using road, port and airport. Its strategic location will only took about 30 minutes to Senai International Airport, 45 minutes from Tuas, Singapore through Second Highway Link and 35 minutes to Pelabuhan Tanjung Pelepas. And our company is following ISO standard of 9001 and ISO 11135, which is the sterilization of medical devices using ethylene oxide standards. For the organization background, VIP Medic is a fully Bumiputra owned company that has been in operation since 2022 in Gelang Patah, Johor Bahru. Its founder, Mr. Amir, has extensive experience of more than 10 years in medical supplies for disposable products, which include hospitals, dental clinics, medical manufacturers, and pharmaceuticals. Mr. Amir worked his best to manufacture the best quality medical products that are able to sustain their place deep-rootedly in the emerging market and economy sector. For the summary of industrial training activities, I was assigned as a quality management representative, and my job scopes are mainly towards standards and documentations. As a quality management representative, my job is to ensure the implementation and maintenance of key standards and guidelines, reporting to the management and communicating with production department. Since I started my internship at this company, my daily job includes preparation for audits, such as reviewing documents, master documents, forms, work instructions and SOPs, and updating the documents. Then preparing non-conformance documents that we receive from the previous audits, and managing the company's social media profiles such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and TikTok. And finally, managing incoming and outgoing of finished goods of customers. For the technical report, I picked external audit as my first project. Throughout this project, I have experienced audits from Biobot Surgical Private Limited from Singapore, Biobot Surgical Private Limited from Thailand for micro verification audit from microbiology assessment perspective, and finally, local ISO audit. Throughout my first project, I was trained to document reviewing, updating, preparation, and site preparation prior to audit. Later, record handling, calibration of equipments and master equipments, and finally, preparation of work instruction. During audits as a QMR, I prepared important files and documents such as Standard Operating Procedures (SOP), master forms, and work instruction. For the second project, I did choose production. On the 5th July, we received gloves from JR Engineering to be packaged and sterilized. Once we received the gloves, I prepared certificate of conformance for the gloves based on the issued incoming delivery order. Once the pallets were placed at warehouse, I together with the HOD of QC and storekeeper did inspection on the received goods and prepared incoming inspection report and sent the glove to the control room to start the production. During production, the gloves will be removed from the carton and will be inserted into a provided pouch. The pouch then will be sealed and arranged in a small box. Then the small box will be labeled and arranged in large cartons, and the cartons will be arranged on standard size pallets and will be sterilized using ethylene oxide gas before sending back to the JR Engineering. During production, I worked with the production team to place the gloves into the provided pouches according to their size. I managed to pouch around 800 pairs of gloves in a day. Then I did arrange the sealed pouches into a small glove box and label their size. Once the gloves were sterilized, once again I checked the finished goods before sending back to JR Engineering and prepared outgoing inspection report. To conclude my report, throughout my internship journey, I have gained a lot of knowledge on the standards, regulations, and documentations of my company. And I'm still attending training program to gain more knowledge on the ISO 9001 standards. Once completing my training, I was offered a permanent job in my company. I have attached a screenshot of my LinkedIn profile as instructed. For the suggestion for industrial training program, I am suggesting them to help students from undeveloped area to look for internship opportunity, as undeveloped area don't have any opportunities for internship program, and I'm suggesting them to prolong the internship period so that students could gain more knowledge and experience before they get a permanent job. For the suggestion for the organization, I'm suggesting my organization to increase the workforce in all departments for a more systematic workflow, and also to send new workers for training to increase productivity and performance of their respective departments. As a suggestion for myself, I'm suggesting myself to get organized and limit distraction to improve performance and also to create achievable goals. As you can see, for the first part, this is my company and my office, and for the second part, it's the picture of the sterilization chamber for the ethylene oxide and the system that controls the chamber, and for the third part, it's the picture of the basic angiography pack, incomplete pack, because for the complete pack the picture is PNC, and a picture of me together with all my colleagues.